Ultrasonic sensors are versatile devices used for a wide range of applications due to their ability to measure distances accurately and non-invasively. A great example that we see every day is our car's distance detector, which helps us not to crash our car to obstacles. You can also use it to bust anyone who tries to touch your stuff. Or any other applications that comes to your mind, such as making sure that we don't open the closet door completely. So if you want to learn how to make a device like that, follow along with me. Let me start by telling you the things you need for making this project first. We are going to use a HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor for this project. As you can see, this sensor has 4 pins. VCC, which is our 5-volt input, D, a trigger pin, a echo pin, and the GND pin. Next, we will need our Arduino, breadboard, and some wires. Now let's begin assembling. You can connect your sensor straightly into the board, or you can use extra wires to make it independent from the breadboard. Start by connecting your power source wire and GND. I will use the pin 11 for our echo, and the pin 12 as the trigger pin. You can make any other extra modifications that you like. For example, I'm going to use a buzzer and some LEDs to make noise and turning up the LEDs when an object is close to the sensor. Now that everything is set, we can start coding the Arduino. First of all, we will start by configuring our pins. And as I said, I'm going to use the pin 11 for echo and pin 12 for the trigger. Also, I'll use 2 more pins, one for the buzzer and one for the LEDs. We also need to make an integer variable to store our ping travel time. In order to use the serial monitor, we need to initialize it first. Now configure the trigger pin as output and the echo pin as input. And then go on with configuring other pins as well. Now, in order to receive a ping, we need to set our trigger pin low and wait for a small moment, and then we will set it to high, and after another small delay, we will set it to low. In this way, you will send a ping by using the high voltage. Now, to measure the distance, we are going to use a method called pulse in, and we will pass our echo pin to it. After that, you can print out the distance to the serial monitor if you want. In the next step, I will detect if any object is closer than 7 cm to our sensor, and if it is, we will activate the buzzer and LEDs. At the end of the loop, make a small delay, and after that, our code is ready for running. If you like this video, please like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.